Hey, how's it going, everybody? So I'm going to try this again. I just tried something and I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll try it again. Listen, for those of you that are interested in understanding more kind of in depth as to what happens, this video is going to show you something that I talked about on a blog just a couple of weeks ago. It was a video blog. So if you want to find out more about that, I'll leave a link here somewhere. But anyway, so when we graduate from college, everybody talks about us going out and you want to find out what your grades are and what your GPA was and all that kind of stuff. And I think until you get your first job, after that, nobody really cares about what your grades were. They don't care how many degrees you have normally, right? If you're a doctor or something like that, maybe they want to understand that. But for the most part, most of us, if you're going to go out and get a job like me in sales or marketing or operations or finance director or I don't know, something like that, people really care about, your skills inside the company, but outside of the company, when you want to go and get like a loan or you want to buy a car or you want to get something else, they really care about your personal financial statement. And so that was what the video was about. But I just want to show you all, and I don't know if how well this is going to come in. Actually, I'm doing this a little bit So I'm always interested in building relationships and going out and making purchases that will help the communities that we live in, the investors that are part of our projects, and then ultimately being also to help those that are around us. And it also helps me and my family, right? So everybody gets to be able to win, but it starts with being able to understand what my personal financial statement is. So I get to meet this guy the other day and through relationships, and hopefully you're going to be able to read this, and I'll figure out how to edit this later. But if you can see this kind of what's there, the third line talks about PFS, personal financial statement. If you have completed a PFS for another bank, I can use their form. So yeah, this is not the easiest video in the world, but I'll have to figure out how to get that stuff edited. But anyway, what I will do, actually, maybe I'll just take a picture and show it there. But anyway, the fact of the matter is I continue to go through this every single day. And it doesn't matter if you're investing actively, like I'm looking to actively invest, or passively, like he even talks about for people that are accredited investors, if they want to invest with other people. So it's part of the process. Like it literally is. Like this guy's not asking me what my grade point average was when I went to college or the 2 degrees that I have. He wants to know how much money's coming in every month and how much liability or expenses are going out every month, right? So just wanted to show that with you. Just wanted to share it with you. Hopefully this will resonate with you. When was the last time somebody asked you for your report card? Leave that comment here. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're interested in knowing a little bit more about personal financial statements, check out the blog, or you can even just, probably leave a link here somewhere where you can also reach out to me. We can get on the phone and chat. All right, have a great day, everybody. This is Billy Keels. We keep on. Hasta la próxima. Ciao.